Nikolas Kokotovich is the owner and director of BSG Commercial. The commercial construction company, based in New South Wales, Australia, handles construction projects of all sizes. Upon obtaining an associate's degree in building, Nikolas took up the challenges of the construction industry, gaining experience in both day-to-day construction processes and management. This diversification of skills came in handy when Nikolas sought to launch BSG Commercial. Specializing in commercial building and construction, Nikolas maintains a superlative level of client service while sustaining a premier industry standard. To connect with Nikolas for your next construction project, call him at 02-9630-7400.